in the heart of winter. People shiver and cough, their faces drawn with discomfort. Others sneeze violently in the haze of hay colds and fever, hands pressing against troubled stomachs and cold bodies. Inflamed bronchial tubes constrict, and an irritated stomach lining reddens and swells due to the external conditions impacting the body. What if a single ancient herb could be the key to surviving the winter cold, soothing your nagging cough, and even calming your digestive troubles? For centuries, traditional medicine has turned to a powerful plant for exactly these problems. But what does modern science have to say about elecampane? What is elecampane? Inula helenium, whose petals echo the sun. There is a seamless transition into the earth, revealing a complexly textured root. Animated texts, alantolactone, inulin, hover over this subterranean world as the voice explains. This is elecampane, or Inula helenium. While its flower is striking, the true power lies in its root. Used by ancient Greeks and respected in traditional Chinese medicine, this root is packed with potent bioactive compounds. The most significant are alantolactone, a notable anti-inflammatory, and inulin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes your gut. Fresh air for your lungs. Lungs and bronchial tubes appear obstructed by thick mucus and swelling caused by the cold airflow outside. Swarms of glowing particles, representing elecampane's active compounds, journey through the airways. As they interact, the inflammation ebbs, mucus fragments and dissolves, while passages visibly widen. On-screen terms, expectorant bronchodilator, underscores scientific mechanisms. An added sequence displays elecampane compounds disabling bacteria like Staphylococcus. Elecampane's most celebrated benefit is for respiratory health. For those grappling with bronchitis, asthma, or persistent cough, this is where it excels. Scientific studies demonstrate that alantolactone acts as a robust anti-inflammatory, calming the bronchial upset. As a natural expectorant and bronchodilator, elecampane clears stubborn mucus and opens airways, easing breath. Notably, its antimicrobial action disrupts bacteria like Staphylococcus and even the agent behind tuberculosis. Harmony for your digestive system, a visual cascade, takes us deep into the digestive tract, a glowing, balanced microbiome teeming with healthy bacteria. Inulin fibers illuminate as they nourish these allies, triggering a chain of digestive improvement. Enhanced nutrient absorption, visible gut comfort, and a notable absence of bloating. The narration provides clarity. Elecampane's virtues extend to the digestive realm. Traditionally valued as a bitter tonic to stimulate appetite, it also calms the gut lining. Rich in inulin, elecampane serves as a prebiotic, sustaining beneficial bacteria. This synergy promotes improved digestion, nutrient uptake, and brings relief from bloating and indigestion. Your shield against seasonal ailments, a split screen amplifies the theme. One half shows a sufferer of hay fever, the other a victim of harsh winter illness. Overlaid animations visualize a fortified immune system. Elecampane's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial particles pacify agitated nasal passages and repel viral invaders. The narrator resumes. Such properties make elecampane a vital ally in seasonal battles. Its combined expectorant and antimicrobial powers help fend off winter colds and sore throats, while its potent anti-inflammatory qualities ease hay fever-related respiratory irritation. How to use elecampane is best available use in tea, tincture, and capsule forms. Suddenly, a stark, urgent warning symbol dominates the screen. Consult a healthcare professional before taking. Elecampane is found in tea, tincture, or capsule formats. Despite its promise, it remains a potent herb, best used under professional guidance. Consultation is essential if you are pregnant, nursing, on medication, or have health conditions. Overconsumption risks digestive and other side effects. Now your breathing should improve, but remember to consult with your health professional. From easing chronic coughs to supporting digestive health, Elecampane is a versatile and powerful herb. For more science-backed insights into natural healing, give this video a like and subscribe. Visit masteringourbody.com.